Here we are on the classwork for 4.1, so make sure you're in your new note packet, Unit 4, Topic A. And we're going to skip number 1, so go ahead and cross that off. And the goal for today is to do 2 through 4. So 2, Benjamin believes that 0.5% is equivalent to 50%. Is he correct? Why or why not? Pay attention to that it's saying percent. It's not saying is 1/2 equal or equivalent to 50%. So what you might want to do is almost like split it in half. And so one side is 1/2%, 1/2%, and the other side is 50%. And think about all the forms that we've written it in. Maybe we write it as a fraction first, like 50% would be or maybe, do a decimal first, whichever way. 50% would be 0.50, okay? So think about it that way. Think about what would 1/2 of a percent be, okay? Number 3, order the following from least to greatest. My suggestion here would be to maybe put them all into the same form. So you can see we've got fractions, we have decimals. So maybe you want to turn them all into decimals. So, just list them all out, and then, so like 100%, that's one whole, okay? But 1/100th would be 0.01. Okay, so then maybe just keep going on. Now pay attention here. This is 0.001%. So remember for decimals, you can literally move it 2 times to the left. So this would be 0.00001. Okay, and then continue on from there. Now, if you want to make them all fractions, whatever way works best for you. And then on the next page, number 4 here is the table. So, we've got a lot of tips and tricks. Use the calculator to help you. Obviously 100% we've talked about as a decimal, that's one whole. And then a fraction, you can either say 100 out of 100 or 1/1, which is really 1. Okay? Pay attention to the 1/8%. Some things that get people a little tripped up is like 250%. Okay? 250% would be, that's over one whole. So as a decimal, that would be 2.50. So then when you write the fraction, I would suggest you write it as like a mixed number. So 2 and 50 over 100, and then you can always simplify it, which should be like 2 and 1/2. Okay. And then down here, the 5 and 1/2, well, they did that whole last row for you, so maybe you can use that, for some of the other rows. So that's all you're doing for now. If you need more help, you can always come to office hours or send me an email.